Here with me I've got the brand new DEWALT FlexTorq bits. These bits are designed to be used on an impact driver. The bits also feature what we call a flex zone that sends all the force to the tip of the bit. With all the force sent to the tip of the bit, this means there's reduced load on the driver and your bit will last more longer. The full fit head eliminates wobbling and rounding of the tip. The tension zone maximizes the life of the bit and also the turning force. So let's take a closer look at what you get in the set. The part number is DT70731T. It's a 37-piece FlexTorq set. You can fit it in your caddy, as you've seen in our previous videos. It has FlexTorq bits. You've got your aluminium magnetic holder. You've got the long series FlexTorq bits and as well your short series. It can also be stacked with the stackable cases, as you would have seen in our previous videos. One of the items that I like in this 37-piece is the magnetic holder. Let me show you why. You can use any of your FlexTorq bits in the holder. Insert the bit into the holder like that. You can put it into your machine. The magnetic holder has got a magnetic ring around here that holds your screw, and position it properly that it doesn't fall out and keeps the screw stable at all times. So now you can start building your range.